This plant improves your vision even if you are old. Did you know that the watercress is very good for the eyes? I did not know either, but the watercress is extraordinary for the eye. I know cases of elderly people who have recovered much of their vision thanks to the watercress. Ideally, you eat 200 grams of watercress every day, when you want and however you want, but raw. The ideal way is to put it in salads. But now we will talk about other vitamins important for a good vision. Eating a sufficient amount of vitamins is important at any age, especially the natural vitamins found in food. The functions of vitamins can be numerous. Its benefits are evident. As a help, we have decided to list other vitamins, explaining their benefits for the eye and indicating the foods that contain them in abundant quantities. 1. Vitamin C for eyesight. Vitamin C is an inexhaustible source of health. We can find it in fruits like orange, kiwi and strawberries, as well as vegetables such as broccoli, mustard greens and peppers. In addition to providing antioxidants, they can also help slow down cataracts and provide the vitamins the eye needs to prevent macular degeneration. 2. Vitamin E for eyesight. Depending on the study we read, vitamin E may also act as an excellent antioxidant and anti-cataract and macular degeneration agent. Vitamin E can be found in numerous nuts, such as almonds, peanuts and pine nuts, as well as dried apricots and sunflower seeds. 3. Lutein for the aging of the eyes. Lutein is a nutrient found in cabbages, spinach and greens. It is also found in our retina, making it an important part of maintaining a healthy vision. Ingesting carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin, yes, hard word, gives us excellent antioxidants and can help fight age-related vision problems such as cataracts and macular degeneration. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family.